Welcome everyone, it's 14th of September. We're gonna go ahead and talk about Ripple's price analysis and technical details, looking for a market which retraced aggressively yesterday and continuously doing so because of the stocks that have been plummeting big time. So we have seen the CPI rate coming out, and this has influenced the space quite significantly. Therefore, our Ripple decreased about 5% in the past 24 hours. So we would like to see the details in the whole thing, as the global crypto market cap is down by 6.15 in the past day. Let's see what has happened in the market. The current context is very interesting, as we do have to relate with the tops located on the golden pocket. There are actually 4 touches which are significant. All these 4 touches of the tops are appearing very rarely. Usually you have your triple top structure when it comes down to moving from the second top, right? So it ends at the triple top, but in this case scenario it didn't. So I would say that this is a market structure that is highly representative for unique situations. Therefore, we've been able to survive, I would say, because the retracement that happens at that time is ranging, and that is usually a bullish continuation sign. What was the problem between the pattern, and what is usually the problem between the pattern and the outcome? Because it can be totally different than what the pattern shows. What the traditional pattern that is structurized and sits in a formula, like, for example, the head and shoulders or the hammer candlesticks, right? So what happens with these patterns at the time they're not playing out? Well, I can easily tell you that simply the patterns have a probability rate which obviously cannot happen. It's a probability rate on the table, so it's not always going to happen, and a lot of this pattern have a low probability rate, so you cannot get confused about a topic. Therefore, what we've got here is basically the stock market is reacting on the CPI rate putting out. We've got the inflation raising. We've got issues in terms of a possible recession in the topic. So there's a whole lot of things that have punished the markets. Yeah, we've been able to find support at the level that I represented yesterday on the 33 cents. That's a decent reaction so far. I wouldn't be too enthusiastic about a long entry without verifying the levels, so without having a double verification, which is something that we can discover by letting the time pass on and run the price analysis and technical analysis. By the way, for those of you that are interested in value education and think that behind every success story it is a strong skill and education, make sure to check out at the end of the video. I'm talking about our private coaching program, one-to-one directly with me. As well, we have the opportunity where you can join my trades and we perform the trading for you through API only on commission. There is no upfront fees. At the same time, I talk about these things at the end of the video, so feel free to watch this and find out more information. Now, these are the important levels we need to keep in mind. We've been able to develop a resistance located on 34 cents. 32 cents, it's on a great support, so we're in between those two. This is where Ripple is actually heading towards, with a very interesting structure at the top with the golden pocket resistance acting massively. That's a 4 top structure extremely rarely, and then a massive sell-off generated by the whole market. That's where we are at the moment with Ripple. So hit the like button, subscribe, and then watch this video till the end. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards 0 fees trading on all pairs, and on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit, blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to 4,550, you can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/0 fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today. And this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.